So today I've got a wonderful treat for you. I've been really spending time with myself and thinking mainly about recipes. I can't lie, it's not even an exaggeration. Like, I'm constantly thinking of recipes. So this recipe that I'm about to show you, you're gonna say, I can't believe I did this. It really tastes amazing. Like, I don't need to go anywhere else because I've got this down packed, because I am now an official Alkaline chef. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to make these. Yes, it smells like beef burger. I can't lie to you, it's incredible. Like, I can't lie to you. I'm gonna show you how to build that burger as well, so please stay tuned. It's gonna be incredible. The burger is delectable, it's wonderful. I made like a little special sauce, which I don't show how to make in this video. You're gonna have to stay tuned for that one. Yes, you're gonna have to stay tuned for that one. The boys today, my son and my husband, they're gonna have it with some fried bananas, fried baby bananas. Yes, these beauties, instead of chips. And then they're gonna have it with some freshly blended raspberry juice, sweet, tangy. It's gonna wash down this burger very well. Please stay tuned. Before we even go any further, make sure you like this video, because at the end of the day, I'm showing you how to create these recipes without any additives, without any tapioca starch, without anything that's going to bind you, anything that's going to cause any form of constipation. Okay, so please like this video, share it with your mates, your friends, your family, your children even. Okay, and I hope that you enjoy this recipe, and if you do, go ahead and make this recipe. Please send me an image. Actually, send me a video. Let me know it's real. Send me a video. I don't want to Photoshop. Send me a video of this burger. Okay, now this is the shrooms burger. I'm letting you in on the secret recipe here. This is the shrooms burger that I serve you guys every other Saturday. Okay, so for those that don't know, I run a company with my partner by the name of Shrooms London. It used to be called Shrooms UK, but Instagram, I don't know, they stole our account and refused to give it back. I think they think we're selling drugs, even though you could clearly see on the page that we're shotting burgers and southern fried oyster mushrooms and jollof quinoa. That is what it is, isn't it? So yes, these are the burgers that I do make. However, I have not actually served these buns. I have not served these buns before. So you're in for a treat today. So welcome to my kitchen. Can you see these beauties? So these we got from Spitalfields Market in London, and these are fresh oyster mushrooms. So here you can see I'm washing the oyster mushrooms. Now it's important that you cleanse these mushrooms thoroughly, and I'm gonna go ahead and rinse them off with some tap water first and then some bottled water afterwards. Now my reason for doing that is because these mushrooms absorb so much water, and as we know, the tap water isn't clean, so I like to give it a last rinse with bottled water. And then the next step, as you can see what I'm doing right now, is very, very, very important. You must squeeze the excess water out of your mushrooms so that you don't end up with a very mushy and unfavorable textured mushroom. Now I'm seasoning the mushrooms with 1 tablespoon of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of clove, 4 tablespoons of onion powder. You massage that with your fingers preferably. You want to get inside that. You want to massage that like you're supposed to massage your skin every day. This is how we do it in Shrooms London, okay? This is how you really make sure that the thing tastes wonderful. Do you see how my hand is going inside? If your hand is not moving like that, then I don't know. Make sure you do this thing properly, please. Okay? Now here you can see I'm adding 1 cup of chickpea flour. And this is perfect. And I say this because chickpea flour makes this recipe gluten-free. Now you want to mix it thoroughly. And then you want to run your hands through it and give it a wonderful massage just to make sure that everything has been fully incorporated. Now here I'm adding roughly about 6 to 7 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. You want to form your patties well to your size. You don't have to do it how I'm doing it, but just make sure that the thing is seasoned well. And you want to use a non-stick pan for this. Okay, so you don't have to add too much oil. Now it's important that you fry them for roughly, I would say on both sides, for about 5 to 7 minutes on a low to medium heat. Now look how golden they look. They look just like me. Beautiful. Now here's the finished product. Now you don't want to plate them up immediately after taking them out of the skillet. You want to leave them on the side for about 10 to 15 minutes. Build your burger and then serve. And there you have it, my loves. I hope you enjoy. Take care. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mutulu Botanica, and do not forget to hit the notification button for all things traditional medicine, botanical beverages, and alkaline recipes. Oh, wow. Yeah? Can you explain what's going on? What can you taste? What's the texture like?
Better than beef.
Yeah.
Because I know it's nutritious. It tastes even better. Consistency of the bread, like clouds. The sauce, 10/10. The flavor inside of the burger, even though it wasn't that much ingredients, exponential.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's profound.
Okay.
You've done well.
Thank you.
Thank you.